Hi Rick, I figured I would just make you a quick video to show you how to go in and make your sections weighted. So hopefully this will answer your questions. And I just went into one of my sandboxes and I'm just going to go down to the left side of the screen and I'm going to go to this section that's hidden assignments. And when you pull this up, you can see that it has all of everything you've called your each thing that you're assigning to the students, whether it's a discussion or an assignment itself or a test. And so those are the sections that you'll see when you go to the grades. So I'll show you that over here just so you know what I'm talking about. So when you go into the grades, you'll see, if you scroll all the way to the end, those are the sections here: tests, assignments, discussions. Okay, so once we go back to that area, this hidden assignments section, you just go over to this top button here and click on it, and then click on assignment groups weight. And you click here, you're going to weight each piece. So for example, I want my discussions, say, to be 30%, assignments to be 40%, and then the remainder to be 30%, obviously, because you're going to want it to equal 100%. So once you save that, you're going to see it'll be over here on the right hand side. And then once you go back into the grade area and then you scroll all the way to the end again, you're going to see that it will show up here. So now anything you call a discussion will be tallied and divided to 30% of the grade. Anything that you've designated assignment will be 40% of the grade, and anything you've designated a test will be whatever it is that you've chosen. And then those, obviously, I know I'm probably telling you something that you already know, but those are all the things that you create when you're in your modules and you go and, for example, here's the syllabus quiz, or here, I'll do this, makes it easier. Assignment, week number 2 assignment, you go in and you've decided, well, this is one of the things I want to be 40% of the grade. So you just make sure that the assignment group it's designated is assignment, not a discussion or a test. And if you need to add a new group, that's easy to do when you go over to this hidden icon again. If you wanted to come up with something else, you could just create a new group. And then you would change the total percentages right there. Okay, I hope that answered your questions, and I'll be available if you need anything. Thank you again, Rick, and I hope to talk to you soon.